Hi everyone, and welcome to the Small Business Social Show. My name is Jill and I am your host, and today we're going to be talking about Instagram and where have the likes gone. If you haven't already seen or noticed or heard about, Instagram is going to be hiding the likes. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm the owner of Fox Social Media, and my company's been helping businesses, practices, and brands to both market and grow online for the past 10 years now. And I'm super excited to have both my YouTube channel and my podcast so that I can help all of you as well. So let's get started. So today we're going to talk about Instagram and the fact that they are hiding likes. So when you look at someone's profile and their posts, you're not going to be able to see how many people liked it anymore. And the reason they're doing this is they want to change the direction the platform is going from appearing to be basically a competition to be just a creative environment for everyone to participate in their own way. So they feel that the likes have kind of made everybody try to compete for likes and sort of do the same things and kind of be inauthentic on the platform. So I want to talk mainly about the marketing function and the marketing aspect of this. And I actually don't think it matters, quite frankly. Likes have never really mattered that much as far as marketing goes. You can have an influencer with millions of likes who it really isn't popular in real life, really doesn't sell anything, really doesn't generate any revenue for their business. So what's more important and what do you do going forward? Well, it's actually not difficult. You are going to be posting what you feel strongly about that you want to share with your clients and your customers on social media. You're going to be authentically showing them your business and where you're allowed to, your clients and your relationship with them and how you operate and what you do and what your values are. Those are the things that you really want to be displaying on Instagram. And if I say to you, oh, likes aren't important, you can ask me, okay, Joel, well, what is? Well, what's important is engagement. If somebody cares enough to leave a comment, a real comment, not one left by a bot, if someone cares enough to share it, then those are the metrics that actually matter. If they send you a DM and ask you a question about the post or your business or what you do, those are the things that matter. Those are the things that lead to business opportunities, that lead to additional clients and customers, not the like button. The like button is, I'll tell people it's essentially the equivalent of passing someone on the other side of the street and waving hi to them. You kind of do that to everyone you know. It's sort of a way to be nice. So the like button is fairly irrelevant anyway. So don't be concerned that it's going away. Again, just be authentic, be real, be yourself. Show what your company has to offer and who you are, and you're going to be just fine. If you have any questions about how to market on Instagram and what your small business or your personal brand should be doing, please leave them below in the comments for me, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. And if you need any other marketing information, there's a whole bunch of videos on my channel that can help you with your small business and personal brand marketing. So please subscribe. Every week I'll be sharing information that's going to help you to both market and grow your small business, your practice, your personal brand. And I look forward to seeing you all next week.